Pregnancy is often described as a beautiful journey, but few people talk about how truly surprising and honestly bizarre the changes can be. Today you'll discover some of the most unexpected effects that pregnancy has on a woman's body and mind, and why science still can't fully explain them. So, let's start with your brain. You've probably heard of pregnancy brain, but did you know it's real? Studies show that during pregnancy, a woman's brain actually shrinks in certain areas related to social cognition. That sounds scary, but it's not bad. This change helps mothers bond more deeply with their babies and become hyper-aware of emotional cues. It's nature's way of preparing women to care, protect, and nurture. But the brain isn't the only thing that changes. Some women develop a condition called melasma, known as the mask of pregnancy. It's dark patches of skin that appear mainly on the face, triggered by hormonal changes. It may look strange, but it's harmless, and usually fades after birth. Still, it's a reminder of how powerful pregnancy hormones are. Let's talk about your senses. Many pregnant women report a superhuman sense of smell. What's going on? Estrogen levels surge, enhancing olfactory sensitivity. It's not just an annoyance, it's evolutionary. The heightened sense of smell helps mothers avoid spoiled food or environmental dangers. And that weird craving for pickles and ice cream, it's your body's unique way of balancing nutrition and managing nausea. And then there's the heart. During pregnancy, your heart literally grows larger to meet the body's increased demand for blood. Your blood volume increases by up to 50%. That's why many women experience shortness of breath or an increased heart rate. It's not just the weight, it's biology doing everything it can to support life. Now here's something really unexpected. Some women experience vision changes during pregnancy. Blurred vision, dry eyes, even temporary prescription shifts are all possible. Why? Hormonal changes affect fluid retention, which can alter the shape of the eye. These changes are usually temporary but surprising nonetheless. Even your bones and joints change. The hormone relaxin loosens the ligaments to prepare for childbirth. But that also means pregnant women can become more flexible and more prone to injury. It's why body mechanics become so important during this time. And here's a wild one. Some women can begin lactating, even from arousal or the sound of a crying baby, before the baby is even born. That's the hormone prolactin at work, prepping the body ahead of time. Let's not forget the emotional roller coaster. Mood swings, anxiety, bursts of joy, all normal. But beneath the surface, the brain is reshaping and rewiring itself. Some women describe an overwhelming sense of purpose, intuition, or even spiritual awakening. Science can measure brain activity, but it can't fully capture the emotional transformation of motherhood. Pregnancy isn't just about growing a baby. It transforms nearly every system in the body, from your skin to your skeleton, your brain to your heart. Some changes fade after birth, others last forever. But each one is part of a biological masterpiece that's more complex and more surprising than most of us ever imagined.